Here is a clear and practical list of 10 confusing English word pairs with their meanings and example sentences so you can see the difference in use. First one is affect versus effect. Affect is a verb. It means to influence something. For example, the weather can affect your mood. Effect is a noun. Its meaning, the result or outcome. For example, the medicine had a calming effect. Second one is compliment versus compliment. Compliment is a noun and verb. It is an expression of praise. Example for this word is, she gave me a nice compliment on my outfit. Next is compliment is also a noun or verb, something that completes or goes well with something. Its example is, the red scarf complements her dress perfectly. Third word is principle versus principle. Principle is a noun, a fundamental truth or belief. Example is, honesty is a core principle of good leadership. Principal is a noun or adjective, main person or chief, the head of a school. Example, the principal announced new school rules. Number 4 is stationary versus stationary. Stationary is an adjective, its meaning not moving. For example, the car remains stationary at the traffic light. Stationary is a noun, writing materials. Example, I bought new stationery for my office. Next word is elicit or illicit. Elicit is a verb, to draw out or evoke. For example, the teacher's question elicited thoughtful answers. Illicit is an adjective. Its meaning is illegal or forbidden. For example, he was arrested for illicit drug trade. Next is ensure versus ensure. Ensure is a verb, to make certain. Example, please ensure the door is locked before leaving. Insure is a verb, to protect financially with insurance. Example, we need to insure the car before our trip. Loose versus loss. Loose is an adjective, not tight. Example, these shoes are too loose for me. Loss is a verb, to misplace or not win. Example, don't lose your keys again. Accept versus accept. Accept is a verb, to receive willingly. For example, I gladly accept your invitation. Accept, preposition or conjunction. Example, everyone is coming except John. Next one is farther versus further. Farther is an adverb or adjective, more distance physically. Example is, the shop is farther down the road. Further is an adverb or adjective, it's mean more degree or extent. For example, we need to discuss this further. Number 10 is imply versus infer. Imply is a verb, to suggest indirectly. For example, are you implying that I am wrong? Infer is a verb, to deduce from evidence. For example, I can infer from his tone that he is upset. Like and subscribe.